Are you ready to unlock a world of possibilities in the cloud? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. What if I told you, having the power to run your own applications, host websites, or even learn new programming skills, all without spending a dime? The cloud is not just for big corporations. It's for everyone, including you. Imagine having your own powerful Linux server, completely free. This isn't a dream or a limited time offer. It's a reality that you can take advantage of right now. With a free Linux server, you can experiment with different software, run your own web server, or even create a personal cloud storage solution. No trials, no hidden costs, just pure, unadulterated computing power at your fingertips. You won't have to worry about your server being taken away after a month or hidden fees creeping up on you. This is a permanent solution that you can rely on for your projects and learning endeavors. That's the magic of Oracle Cloud's always free tier. Oracle Cloud offers a range of services that you can use without ever having to pay. This includes not just a Linux server, but also databases, storage, and networking capabilities. It's a comprehensive suite of tools that can help you build and scale your projects. In this comprehensive guide, we'll embark on a journey together. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a complete beginner, this guide will walk you through every step of the process. We'll start from the very basics and move on to more advanced topics, ensuring that you have all the knowledge you need to succeed. We'll navigate the ins and outs of setting up your very own free Linux server on Oracle Cloud. From creating your Oracle Cloud account to configuring your server settings, we'll cover it all in detail. You'll learn how to install software, manage your server, and keep it secure. From signing up to configuring your server and accessing it securely, we'll cover it all. You'll see how easy it is to get started and how powerful your new server can be. We'll also provide tips and tricks to help you make the most of your free resources. The benefits of using a free Linux server on Oracle Cloud are immense. You can host your own websites, run complex applications, and even set up development environments for coding and testing. It's perfect for students, developers, and small businesses looking to cut costs while still having access to powerful computing resources. Compared to other cloud providers, Oracle Cloud's always free tier offers more generous resources and fewer restrictions. You get a full-featured Linux server with ample storage and bandwidth, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of projects. Plus, Oracle's robust security features ensure that your data and applications are always protected. Get ready to experience the freedom of a permanent, no-cost solution for hosting your projects, exploring new technologies, and unleashing your inner tech enthusiast. Let's dive in. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functional Linux server at your disposal, ready to tackle any challenge you throw at it. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started on this exciting journey. Oracle Cloud, a titan in the realm of cloud computing, offers a vast array of services designed to empower businesses and individuals alike. From powerful virtual machines to sophisticated databases, Oracle Cloud has it all. What sets Oracle Cloud apart is its unwavering commitment to providing accessible solutions for everyone. And that's where the always free tier comes in, offering a gateway to experience the wonders of cloud computing without breaking the bank. Whether you're a seasoned developer, a tech enthusiast eager to explore, or simply someone in need of a reliable platform to host your projects, Oracle Cloud has something special in store for you. Let's walk through the Oracle Cloud interface. First, log into your Oracle Cloud account and navigate to the dashboard. Select Compute from the Services menu to create a new virtual machine. Fill out the instance details and configure your network settings. Review your settings and launch the instance. Once it's running, you can access it via SSH. Explore other key features like database services, where you can set up and monitor your databases with ease. Don't forget to check out the always free tier, offering a range of services at no cost. Utilize these resources to get the most out of Oracle Cloud. Let's address the elephant in the room, the word free. In a world saturated with limited-time trials and hidden fees, it's natural to be skeptical. But here's the truth. Oracle Cloud's always free tier is exactly what it sounds like, permanently free. You get access to a powerful Linux server along with a suite of other Oracle Cloud services without ever having to pull out your wallet. However, there are some limitations to be aware of. The always free tier includes specific resources like 2 autonomous databases, 2 compute VMs, and up to 10 gigabytes of object storage. To make the most out of it, plan your projects within these limits and explore the extensive documentation and community support Oracle offers. This isn't a trial period. It's a commitment from Oracle to empower users with the tools they need to succeed in the digital age. So, banish those doubts and embrace the freedom that awaits you. Section 4. A beast under the hood, your server's specs. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, your free Linux server. This isn't just any server. It's a powerhouse designed to meet your most demanding needs. Whether you're a developer, a data scientist, or just someone who loves to tinker with technology, this server is built to impress. Prepare to be impressed, because this isn't your average run-of-the-mill server. It's a high-performance machine that stands out in the crowded world of cloud computing. Let's dive into the specifics and see what makes this server a true beast under the hood. Oracle Cloud's always free tier equips you with a virtual machine boasting 24 gigabytes of RAM. That's right, 24 gigabytes. This amount of memory ensures that your applications run smoothly, even under heavy loads. Imagine running multiple virtual machines, databases, and applications simultaneously without a hitch. That's right, a whopping 24 gigabytes of RAM to handle even the most demanding applications and workloads with ease. Whether you're running complex simulations, handling large datasets, or developing resource-intensive applications, this server has got you covered. 4 CPUs experience the lightning-fast performance of a quad-core processor. These 4 CPUs provide the computational power needed to perform multiple tasks simultaneously. From running your development environment to hosting a website, the quad-core processor ensures everything runs efficiently, allowing you to multitask like never before. Imagine editing videos, compiling code, and running a database query all at the same time without any lag. This server's processing power makes it all possible. 200 gigabytes of storage. Store your projects, data, and everything in between with ample storage space at your disposal. This generous storage capacity means you won't have to worry about running out of space anytime soon. Whether you're storing large media files, databases, or backups, there's plenty of room for everything. These specs aren't just impressive for a free server. They rival and even surpass what many paid hosting providers offer. When you compare these specs to those of paid services, you'll see that Oracle Cloud's always free tier is a game changer. Let's compare these specs with other free cloud services. Many free tiers from other providers offer significantly less. For instance, AWS free tier provides only 1 GB of RAM and 1 vCPU, while Google Cloud's free tier offers 0.6 GB of RAM and 1 vCPU. Clearly, Oracle Cloud's always free tier stands out with its superior offerings. With this much power at your fingertips, the possibilities are limitless. From developing cutting-edge applications to running complex simulations, this server opens up a world of opportunities. So go ahead, unleash your creativity and see what you can achieve with this powerful tool at your disposal. Section 5. Your journey begins. Signing up with Oracle Cloud. Ready to embark on your free server adventure? This is an exciting step towards exploring the vast capabilities of Oracle Cloud. Whether you're a developer, a student, or just someone curious about cloud computing, Oracle Cloud offers a plethora of resources to get you started. The first step is to sign up for an Oracle Cloud account. This account will be your gateway to a world of cloud services, from computing power to storage solutions, all at your fingertips. Don't worry, the process is surprisingly straightforward and user-friendly. Oracle has designed the sign-up process to be as seamless as possible, ensuring that even those new to cloud services can navigate it with ease. First, visit the Oracle Cloud website. The homepage is designed to provide you with all the information you need, from the latest updates to detailed guides on how to use their services. Head over to signup.oraclecloud.com to begin your journey. Next, choose Always Free. This option is perfect for those who want to explore Oracle Cloud without any financial commitment. You'll be presented with different account options. Oracle Cloud offers a variety of plans to cater to different needs, but for now, let's focus on the Always Free tier. Select the Always Free tier to unlock your free server and other goodies. This tier provides you with access to a range of services that you can use to build, test, and deploy your applications. Then, fill in the details. This step is crucial as it helps Oracle tailor the experience to your needs. Provide the necessary information, such as your name, email address, and payment details. These details are essential for setting up your account and ensuring that you have a smooth experience. Don't worry, you won't be charged anything. The Always Free tier is designed to give you access to Oracle Cloud services without any cost. Oracle requires this information for verification purposes only. This step ensures that your account is secure and that you have access to all the features available. Check your inbox for a verification email from Oracle and click on the link to confirm your account. This step is crucial as it activates your account and grants you access to the Oracle Cloud services. Congratulations, you're now a proud member of the Oracle Cloud community. With your new account, you can start exploring the various services and tools available to you. Whether you're looking to host a website, develop an application, or simply learn more about cloud computing, Oracle Cloud has everything you need to get started. However, if you encounter any issues during the sign-up process, don't panic. Common problems include verification email delays, incorrect information entries, or browser compatibility issues. For troubleshooting, visit the Oracle Cloud support page or contact their customer service. They are available to assist you with any problems you might face. To secure your account, consider setting up two-factor authentication and using a strong, unique password. These steps will help protect your account from unauthorized access. With these tips, you're well on your way to a secure and successful experience with Oracle Cloud. Enjoy your journey and make the most of the powerful tools at your disposal.